Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to migrate from Mosaic for Confluence by Collecti over to Capable for Confluence. And we're going to be using the migration tool to make this as easy as possible and potentially just a single click operation to actually migrate all of your data across to the extended experience that is Capable, which provides much more than just formatting macros, but also provides things like approvals, calendars, diagrams, markdown, and a powerful image asset management tool for storing all of your brand assets. So let's take a look. So here I have a page I've created with Mosaic. You can see I've got a banner at the top here. I've got some cards, and then I've got a tab macro here. Now, these aren't the only things we support. We support the majority of Mosaic's macros, and you can pull all of that data across to Capable really easily. So I'm just going to show you what that looks like and how you can do this yourself. So you could save money and also get more features for your team. So first of all, if we go to the apps menu and we click explore more apps, and we simply search for Capable and choose the first option here. And if we click try it free, review, and start the free trial. And now that that's complete, if we click on the settings button in the top right, and we scroll down to the apps section, and we click Capable. And now if we click onto the migration tab, as you can see, this screen shows all of the apps that are supported to migrate from to Capable. And as you can see, if we scroll down, we can see Mosaic is here. And it's detected that page there, which we put the content on. And you can see here all of the different macros we support. So we support a lot more than just the macros I'm showing today. But for simplicity, I'm just going to be migrating the tabs, the cards, and the banner macro here. So at the top here, it's worth noting that you can select additive mode, which will keep the existing macros and just add the capable ones. So this is good if you want it to be kind of a multi-stage process and you want to keep the macros until you're happy that the data's been migrated properly. So once we're happy that we've selected the macros we want to migrate, if we click validate, this is just going to check those pages and make sure that we can migrate those macros. And you can see it's detected all of those macros and it's happy that we can continue. So if we click start migration now, as this was just a single page, it's completed really quickly, and we can click on that page ID to just jump straight to that page here. And as you can see, this has migrated the banner at the top, it's migrated the cards in the middle, and it's also migrated the tabs across to the built-in tab macro here. And it's kept all of that information inside those tabs, and they're all working as expected. Same with the cards here, and the banner at the top. So it really is that easy to migrate your data across and not only save money by switching to Capable, but also gain a load more features like approval, calendar, diagrams, and more. So I encourage you to give it a go today and see just how easy it is to switch to Capable and upgrade your experience today. Have a good one. See ya.